Hello friends, I am Mr. Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel, that is Learn English with Bhalerao sir. Dear students, in today's video we shall discuss one more important essay, and that is city life versus village life. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's go. As I told you here, the title is given city life versus rural life. Rural is also called village life. Yes, village life versus city life. More than half of India's population, more than half of India's population lives in villages. Mahatma Gandhi had said, the real India lives in villages. Rustic simplicity and natural beauty is emblematic of Indian culture and heritage. Lives of most of the people in villages mostly depend on agriculture. Some people earn their living from animal husbandry and agro-based cottage industries. Most of the villagers are farmers. They are hardworking, unassuming and generous. When farmers plough their fields in the morning sun, the chirping of birds that accompanies them, that means come with them. The movement of the oxen seems to hum a melody of hard work. Right? Farmers are innocent by nature, unlike some of their urban counterparts who lost their inner goodness in the cutthroat world of materialism in cities. Life in urban India is marked by wide-ranging disparity. There are residents who have unlimited means of enjoyment, but some people are so poor that they have to live in slums. Economic inequality, pollution, garbage are the bane of urban existence. People also have to face lack of adequate water supply. Yet, people want to live in cities because they get facilities for good education, healthcare, transport and so many modes of comforts and entertainment. There are also good opportunity for employment in cities, unlike villages where very few people are gainfully employed. Next we can write like this: city life is a boon in many ways, but on the other hand it is also a curse. Every year the population of cities is growing by leaps and bounds, increasing pressure on their infrastructure and reducing life to dehumanized rat race. Thus, life in villages and in cities present two contrasting pictures. There are positive as well as negative aspects to the both, and it is up to the individuals to make the most of it, irrespective of the rural or urban setting that one lives in. So, in this way, we have completed this essay. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestion for me, write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.